Alright, we had a pretty good rest. I slept for about 2 hours. Now we're out. It's about 8:30 p.m. Now the good thing about this place is the nightlife is bustling. That's what people are telling me. That means the shops are open 24 hours. It's some sort of like a night market. So it's kind of interesting. So we're gonna have our dinner. That's what I'm looking forward to. And Aisha's gonna do some shopping. I mean, ladies, right? Fun fact, there is no electricity here. So what happens is, when night falls, it's about 7 p.m., 7 to 7:30 p.m., they actually start the generator. You might be hearing the generator sound in the background. So once they started it, I had to charge all my devices. So including the camera right here, I managed to charge this, the drone batteries, all my phones, drone controller as well. You have seen the food looks amazing. Pretty much what I imagined. Alright, we're getting a table. Yes, yes, fish confirm.
Fish confirm?
At least one piece of fish, right? We're gonna have fish. I think there's saji. Lots of barbecue. I'm not sure if I'm really into all that barbecue, but it looks good. But all the different type of barbecue meats, right? I really like the fish though, because I haven't really eaten fish here.
We'll try.
We'll go for that, right? Yeah, we'll try that. We'll try everything. Alright, looks like we've gotten a table. Food has arrived now. So we ordered white chicken karai and fish fingers. Yeah. And some kabuli pulao.
पैरों से तुम आगे बढ़े रहे हो, वीडियो इतनी मस्त आई है तुम्हारी.
I'm gonna try some of that fish fingers. Wow, it's so fresh. I don't know what kind of fish is this. Lots of masala. Spicy. But I'm loving it. Oh, wow.
You cannot find this anywhere else. It's so fresh and nice.
Oh yes, finally we've done with our dinner. Pretty good. We've got a karai chicken. It's a bit dry, lots of oil. But I would say the highlight of this dinner would be the fried fish. We actually ordered a second serving of the fried fish. Oh yeah, you like it? So we're headed out now. Time for shopping, I guess. Currently we are shopping for jackets, leather jackets. I never actually had one. Well, it's time to get one now.
Hello! If you can remember me, I was in Imran Yo's channel. Hashtag Lizzie. Hashtag Lizzie. Hashtag Imran Yo. Hashtag everybody.
Aisha is trying to get one too. How does this look? Looking good.
Wow.
So basically I'm drinking this hot tea here. It's called kava. It's a little bit of green tea, sugar, lemongrass and lemon inside, all mixed up. Really nice and hot in this cold weather. Feels awesome. Very refreshing. And imagine the weather is so cold and this is so hot. I'm holding it just nice. I'm loving the heat that's getting into my body. Even little dude is enjoying it.
I like
What's that?
ginger tea. I mean, I like ginger tea. This is similar, so I guess I just drink it.
Oh well, what can I say? He's a piece of me. Right, we are at the mobile shop here. It's not easy to find one. We have to walk quite a distance. Basically need internet connection. So we're here to get a SIM card of a different telco. Right, so apparently in Naran, coffee seems to be very popular. There are a lot of coffee stalls all over the place. We couldn't find this elsewhere. Nobody drinks coffee anywhere else. I don't know why. So yeah, we're gonna have a cup.
The coffee from this roadside stall tasted really good. It was creamy and not overly sweet. We couldn't skip this as finding coffee elsewhere during our tour was almost impossible. After the roadside adventure, dinner and some shopping, we didn't have much energy left. This coffee was pretty much the last thing we did that night. Do continue to follow our adventures in the following episodes.
Look at all that. Oh yes.